let's do this.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
A few updates today. We got the amplifier and the sound composer, or whatever the thing does, in the mail. So now the audio works. We had a little problem with the HVAC system. The blower motor would stay on. So what we ended up doing was there's a sensor all the way underneath, not that blue one, but it's even deeper in there, the HVAC blower motor control resistor deal. Really hard to get to. We got it out, put a new one in, and the blower motor now works. Today we are putting in the carpet, seats. We should be up and So, we got it put back together. It's icy and snowy outside, so let's do this. Some bonus footage over here. While I'm waiting on parts for the RS, I do this. Got a CVT transmission for this crappy Nissan Versa. We attempted to fix it by replacing the stepper motor, and that didn't work out, so we had to shell out the big bucks. I kept telling them not to buy it, but it is what it is. So while I'm working on this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you can, share. It helps a lot.